and you can spin your motor manually. You need to match the bolt on the drum.
1 second.
Those won't fit, only those fit because we work on it at the as straight as you can. That's looking good. And good, stay here for now. Now once your motor is on top of the bracket, you'll put your washer and nuts. Our motor is unlocked, so we pull that string back to have the motor to stay, the door to stay where it is. If you don't do this, as you tension, the door will turn. So
if you don't have the motor then?
You need a guy to hold it.
Okay.
Froze!
Yeah. Or the other thing is you could tight both sides of the U-bolt saddle and spin the door itself.
Oh, okay.
Throughout this way.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright, so now it's a big commercial. So you probably, there is holes here, so this is how I know how many turns I'm doing. Right now it's half, 1 turn, 2 turns, and a half, and you feel it, it's getting stronger. I'll say 3 turns, something to start with.
3 Yeah.
Because this is a bigger door, on the brackets, we are in the middle hole, all the way out. You will see, it's the clearance at the back here. If you are against, you have no room to squeeze your guide, and you might hit the header. Right there, now the door is loose. She wants to go up because of the tension. We call the stopper. It goes at the bottom of the door. almost all the way. So the job here is pretty much done. So the rope is actually the one to help to pull that string. So, and that. Yeah?
Yeah.
You have a set button on the far left. You have to press and hold it. Then you have numbers showing up. Number 1 is the menu to set the limit. So you want the number 1, you push set one more time. Now the number stops flashing, it's solid, that means it's ready for us to set the limit. On this motor you gotta start from the top. The motor goes down. So that means motor is set to be on the right side of the door. And up. And the L is showing up. L as left. So now the motor knows it's on the left side. So we do it again. Press and hold set. Number 1's flashing. Set again. Number 1 solid. Now push button up and it goes up. Try to keep your finger off the edge because those doors are very sharp. Then reach the limit. Happy here? You push the button set again. Now number 2 is showing solid. Means you have to set the down limit. So push and hold every time. Every time I let go it stops. So when you want to adjust, you just slightly push and it adjusts. Now you gotta go down your ladder, make sure your seal looks good. Once you're happy, you push the button set again. And then the door will start traveling. So she'll go up and down again. When she's stopped, the limits are set. So if you pinch too low, the door won't shut because the motor will think something is on the way, right? It will stop the door before. So you have to make sure you catch the last one. If you are not sure, just go one higher, right? Just in case. Once you're here, grab your security screws, 3/8 socket. Then you check from the side because as you can see there is a shape, so you want to match the center of this guy again, otherwise you will have trouble to put your screw because it's gonna keep on shifting you. You grab approximately 3/4 inch from the rope, what we call the NFL. Then the plan is to catch the drum as well. So you catch the entire steel plus the drum. So now if someone tries to lift it, you do it on both ends. I cannot.
Yeah.
I'm going to put it in the green plug up here. And that's it. Then you can run it nice and clean inside your tracks. So you have to put those sensors into the bracket. There is 2 holes. You can go through the plastic, that's not a problem. Just make sure you don't hit circuit board behind it. Then when it's held, you come on the side. And same, self-tap, double tape face, or whatever you want to use. No, you don't do anything on the tracks, otherwise you will hit the door. You do it onto the beam. Yeah. Put it here. Then that's the cover, close the cover. This goyer, you don't have to go all the way down, unless you prefer. But usually, I like to be a foot or 16 inches from the ground. This guy from the back of the bracket, you go here, and then